Hi guys, in front of me is POCO M6 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, enroll the settings. Then find and select additional settings. Go to languages and input, click on languages and choose the one that you like the most. Or actually not like the most, but the one that you want to use your device in, or maybe the language that is your favorite. Then go back and here it is. As you can see, it is already applied. You can smoothly use your device in the selected language. Obviously, later on, you can change it the same way whenever you want. Just by tapping. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.